So today we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorite cases every year, the Pitaka MagEZ Pro 4 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, Pitaka also makes just the regular MagEZ, which is a very thin, very minimalist case that barely protects really anything, just kind of super sleek and protects from fine scratches and things like that. But this is their more protective, more shock absorbing case. So let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So it says protective yet slim, shock resistant. Pitaka does have that MagSafe there, which, by the way, Pitaka's MagSafe is excellent. And it is part of their Pitaflow for phones ecosystem. They have a whole bunch of different magnet ecosystems. Very cool. You guys can check those out. So taking a look around, it does say it has all-around protection, MagSafe compatible, protective but not bulky, and it's made out of 100% biodegradable packaging. Now, this is made out of aramid fiber, and this is the 1500D version. So let's take a look at the case itself. Now, shout out Pitaka. They always have great packaging. Every year they step it up better and better with their packaging. This looks very premium. Good job, Pitaka. So let's go ahead and get into the case. Now, I have actually been using this case for a little while now, honestly, since I've gotten the phone on and off between this and other cases, and I'm really enjoying it so far. So it's saying, Pitaka, we care for the planet, we care for our planet. The packaging is made out of 100% biodegradable materials. So opening this up, you are greeted with the MagEZ Pro, and then also just this little get ready information about more stuff from Pitaka. And you are greeted also with a couple of fit stickers. So if you notice your phone may not fit 100% perfectly, which I've never had that problem with a Pitaka case, but it's awesome that they include these little stickers in there. If you do have an issue with the fit, those are there for you. So that's all that you get in the packaging. Let's put that to the side. On the inside of the case, you get these little removal instructions on how to take the case on and off, and you can watch the video of how to do it on this QR code as well. So taking this little piece of paper out, on the inside, you have this very nice felt material here. Now, very good job by Pitaka protecting the inside of the phone. It's this nice, almost foamy feeling material, and you do have your magnet for MagSafe. Now, there is no alignment magnet, but don't let that deter you because Pitaka's MagSafe is always on point. So going around the inside of the case, you do get these little divots around, and these are there for your shock absorption, and they're all the way around the entire case there on the inside. And you get your inside of the camera ring is kind of this sloped in a little bit. It's this plasticky material right there. So that's there to protect your camera. So looking at the back of the case, I already got a little bit of fingerprinting on there. Let me wipe this down. But just to say something about this case, this has been really good with fingerprints. Last year, Pitaka, this case had a whole bunch of fingerprints. You would touch it, immediately have fingerprints. This year, I've been using this a lot, and it's pretty good about fingerprints still. I did just wipe it down a little bit, and you can kind of see a little bit still there, but it's a lot better at concealing them. So let's go ahead and put our black titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max into the case, and you get this very nice click into your case. Now, looking at how the corners are fitting, good clicks. Very good clicks onto the edges of the case. It's not hard to take on and off, but it's very, very securely on there. So you don't have to worry about the case coming off if you were to drop your phone or anything like that. So taking a look at the case around the sides, on the top, it is completely closed. On the left-hand side, you get all of your buttons. Now, shout out to Pitaka for giving us the action button. Thank you guys so much. That's huge that you didn't do the cutout and you actually gave the action button. And speaking of these buttons, these are amazing metal buttons. These sound and feel great to click. Let's listen. Very, very good clicky buttons. Moving along down to the bottom, you have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as your really big cutout for USB-C, which thank you for Pitaka for doing that as well, because some USB-C cables are a little bit thicker since the port is a little bit bigger than the Lightning. And some cases I've noticed don't give you too big of a cutout. So this is great by Pitaka, great cutout. And on the right-hand side, you're completely closed except for that button right there as well. Now, taking a look at your camera protection, ample amount of camera protection. Pitaka really did a good job. And they also made it kind of this gradual type of slope on here. It's not very big, but it's a nice feeling. You know, it's not very sharp around your finger if your finger happens to rub it or anything like that. And you get a nice little touch of this glossy plastic on the inside here, as well as that beautiful 1500D aramid fiber all around. Now, let's go ahead and move on to our MagSafe test. So first we'll start off with the Apple MagSafe wallet with the usual insert in there. And spoiler alert, I mean, let's take a look. There's your MagSafe animation, but this is hard to get off. Pitaka's MagSafe is insane. They have some of the best MagSafe on the market every year, and last year they made a little bit of a slip up with the Pro. Last year's Pro, the buttons weren't too great, the MagSafe wasn't great, and it was a fingerprint magnet, and they have checked every single box this year. Pitaka, great job. So again, with the MagSafe wallet, pretty difficult to get off. You don't have to worry about this coming off in your pocket or anything like that. Moving along to the Apple MagSafe battery pack, just drop that on there. You do have, sorry, my phone's getting ready to die, but you got your MagSafe attachment. You heard the sound. And this one, I don't even need to sit here and shake it. I know for a fact you can shake this as hard as you can. This is not coming off. And you can also sit here and shake it with this. Pitaka's, I'm having difficulty getting this off. You have to kind of push it off of there. I mean, listen to that. That's great MagSafe. And finally, moving along to our Anchor 623. Let's go ahead and put the Pitaka on there. We'll lift that up, and I don't even have to hold the base down or anything because I know this is not coming off. I can sit here and at any angle, I'm having more of a difficulty turning it because the MagSafe is so strong, but sit here and tap it all day long. And Pitaka also makes an amazing car mount, by the way, which if that has great MagSafe and this has great MagSafe, I mean, you can go all terrain and that'll never fall off of your phone. But either way, I mean, do we have to pick it up? It's coming up. It's coming up with the MagSafe. It's not coming off. I can shake it and finally it'll come off. Like, you know, yeah, we've got great MagSafe on here. So with that being said, this is the Pitaka MagEZ Pro case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. This is definitely going to be one of the best cases of the year. I already know that. Let me know. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.